Hey, what's going on, everybody? You got Kody Ashmore bringing you today's free video. And I want to start this off with saying, first off, happy Halloween. Hope y'all have a great time doing whatever you're doing tonight. Um, Most importantly, be safe and be ready for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and talk about today. So what I want to do in this video is I want to break down and show you two trade reviews from that was done live in our live trading for the funded trader system, which netted $6,000 today. So let's go ahead and get that going. Okay, so here are the stats from today. You can see I took two trades in both, or where they came out to a total of $312. So $312, and this is across 20 accounts. If you haven't checked out that Funded Trader System webinar, please do. I think this will make more sense. But it netted $6,000 today. But you can see I was in the trades for a total of 45 seconds. Nothing crazy, or I won't say crazy long. But let's talk about those trades and break them down. All right, so first up, here's the first one. So what exactly are you looking at? Let me break it down a little bit to you. So what we got going on right here is this red line right here. That is my anchored VWAP from the economic data that was released this morning at 7:30 Central. And another thing I want you to mainly pay attention to is this point of control that at the moment we are down below. We're coming down here and we're kind of basing out right there. But this is trade number one. And so basically, right, price came down to support. It bounced up to the anchored VWAP, and well, just waited for our trigger to get short, like it says here, initial flush, then bounced to the economic data anchored VWAP and the 1 minute 21 EMA, and then waited on the trigger to get short. We got the trigger to go short, and then we just came over here, and you can see I got short here. I'm going to stop right on the other side and closed it right here at this line where I was looking for a price to potentially bounce. However, it did not bounce. It kept going, but that's okay. The idea behind being a funded trader in the funded trader system anyways, is taking these quick wins and being done for the day and taking your paycheck. But in a nutshell, that's really it. Is the market was already down near the point of control, like I said, I was here. Price bounced up. This is what's known as um, a bear rally. We got our trigger to take the short. We used our Renko chart to manage the trade, and boom, this one was a little over $200. So that's trade one, right? And so the trade or that happened, and then the market continued to bounce or continued to flush, right? So there was that trade, and then no, I do not want AI to edit my pictures here. Okay, and so here is the next one. So after it came up here and flushed even further, right, it pierced right through that. Hindsight could have held on, but that's not the idea behind the funded trader system. The funded trader system is built around being quick, consistent gains. All right, so it got the flush. It came on down to right outside the third ATR. We'll call it probably the fourth ATR, right? So price went outside the third ATR, and then it closed on a doji about right there. And then I wanted it to break this high for a trigger long, as we're right here at this HVN. So I'm all right. Potentially going to bounce. The market's been relatively strong. Maybe we'll at least catch a bounce to the 1 minute 21 in EMA. So it actually did start to bounce right once this candle broke that high. All right, come over here to my Renko chart. I get long here. I did take a little bit of heat. However, it didn't trigger my stop. Caught a pop up, and then I just closed it there for about another $100, which equates to another $2,000. So in a nutshell, that is the two trades, right? So took those three trades, quick and done before the market closed or whatever, right? Or sorry, I was done within an hour after the market opened, and was able to go enjoy Halloween parties at my kid's school. So two quick trades, $6,000, and that is these are the two setups we did. Now, if you're interested in coming and trading these live with me, we have not had a red day yet. I want to knock on some wood on all the live trading events, and right now we still have live trading all the way out till the end of January. I'm giving you 3 months of my life to make sure everyone is on board with how this works. So this is all based off of passing prop firms for day trading futures. Is something I've been doing and consistently pulling out anywhere from 10 to 40 grand a month, and just keep that ball rolling. It gives you a whole business plan as far as how to do it and whatnot. And if this is something you're interested in, you're like, you've been kind of thinking about it, you're not quite sure if you want to take that leap or not, you can, and you have to go to this website. That's the only way to get it. Why? I don't know. It's what the staff just told me. But kind of like it says up here, you do have to go to simpler. I'm going to write this as good as I can with my mouse. simplertrading.com/trader. It's hard to do with a mouse. Trader system. All right, but that's it. Or you can call one of our sales reps and they'll hook you up with it. But if it's something you're interested in doing, and what's unique about this now is I do want to talk about this because Apex did just change their rules, but now there is no payout windows, and now you could take a payout every 8 days, right? 8 trading days. And so let me just shine a little bit of light on this. Let's just say you have 20 accounts and you just make $500 over 8 days, which is insanely possible. You do that with micros if you wanted to. 8 days, $500, and every 8 days, if you make $500, you are taking out 10K. You do that twice in a month, that's a 20K a month. Say you want to swing a bigger stick, say you want to go for 1,000, then that is a 40K a month. So I've built this whole business plan around using these firms to where you could take some pretty large returns without having your own money at risk or held captive inside a trading account. If this is something that interests you, reach out to your sales representative or go to simplertrading.com/trader system, just like it says all right here. And I look forward to seeing you there. But we still have live trading all the way to the end of January. You are not late to the show if this is something you've been on the fence about. But everyone have a great rest of your day. Enjoy your Halloween. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section of this video. I always come circle back around to the company's YouTube video to see if there's any questions. But like I said, have a wonderful night. Happy Halloween. And finish your week strong. Take care.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments that I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency. It's one of the things that won me